Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about problem tree analysis and objective tree analysis, which are very important tools used in public health, in environmental health, project management, and community development. So it is very important for you to know this analysis because it will help you understand problems clearly, identify their causes and effects, as well as plan practical solutions. So whether you are a student or a health worker, knowing how to use these tools will make your work more effective and organized. So in this video, we will use waste management in a community as our example. I will show you step by step how to create a problem tree and then turn it into an objective tree. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your subscription helps me to continue creating content for students, for health workers, and professionals who are passionate about public health and project management. Now let's start by defining what a problem tree is. So a problem tree is a tool used to visually display a problem, its causes, and its effects. So it is widely used in public health, community development, and project management to understand problems deeply before planning for solutions. So you can think of it like a tree. A tree has a trunk, roots, and branches. So the trunk represents the main problem. The roots represents the causes of the problem, and the branches represent the effects or the consequences of the problem. So these methods help you see the problem in a clear way, showing what is causing it and what results from it. For example, in a community with poor waste management, we are going to divide it into three main parts. We have a trunk, which is the main problem, which is poor waste management in the community. We'll have roots or the causes, and then we'll have branches or effects. So by organizing problems this way, we can identify areas to address and understand the impact of the problem. Now that you understand what a problem tree is, let's go step by step to create a problem tree. So there are a few steps that we follow. The first step, identify the core problem. So here you ask yourself, what is the main problem that needs to be solved? For example, poor waste management in the community. So the core problem is the main issue that is affecting the community or the project negatively. Step 2, identify the causes. So here you ask yourself, why does this problem exist? So causes are factors that contribute to the problem. For example, causes for poor waste management could be lack of awareness among community members about proper waste disposal, insufficient number of waste bins. Step 3, identify the effects. So ask yourself, what happens because of this problem? What are effects? So effects are the negative outcomes or consequences of the problem. For example, spread of diseases such as cholera, malaria, and diarrhea, contamination of water sources, or poor community image. Step 4, organize your tree. Place the causes at the bottom as roots. Place the main problem in the middle as the trunk. Place the effects at the top as branches. So this structure shows the relationship between the causes, the main problem, and the effects, making it easier to plan for intervention. But how can we turn a problem tree into an objective tree? So once we have a problem tree, we can create an objective tree. An objective tree is a tool that turns problem into objectives or goals. So it is created by changing negative statements into positive, actionable statements. And this will help in planning solutions and interventions. Here is how we do it with our waste management example. Step 1, turn the main problem into an objective. We have a problem, which is poor waste management, and our objective will be effective waste management in the community. Step 2. Turn the causes into objectives. We have causes like lack of awareness and insufficient bins. So we are going to change these negative statements into positive statements. So our objectives will be increase in community awareness on proper waste disposal and providing adequate waste bin for the community. Step 3. Turn the effects into goals or outcomes. Effect 1. Spread of diseases. The goal will be reduced incidence of sanitation or related diseases. Effect 2. Water contamination. Our goal will be safe and clean water in the community. So the objective 3 shows what we want to achieve, and every objective is linked to a problem or effect from the problem. So by creating an objective 3, we now have a clear plan for action and measurable goals that can guide interventions, projects, and public health programs. Let me give you some tips for you to make your problem 3 and objective 3 effective. Number 1, involve stakeholders. You have to include community members, health workers, and other relevant people to get accurate information. Be specific. Make sure your causes and your objectives are measurable. Keep it simple. Avoid making the tree too complicated. Link objectives to problems and effects. So every objective should clearly address a problem or effect from the problem. Use it for planning. So both trees are useful tools for proposals, project planning, and public health interventions. And that's how you create a problem tree and turn it into an objective tree. So by using this method, you can clearly identify what is causing a problem, understand the main issue, and plan for practical solutions. So if you found this video helpful, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your support helps me to continue creating more content for students, health workers, and professionals who are passionate about public health, environmental health, and project management. I do have other videos on different topics and courses. Check my channel after this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.